In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project with time tracking in Zoho Books. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to set up your projects efficiently to keep track of your time and budget seamlessly. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to navigate to your Zoho Books dashboard, which is the hub of all your financial operations. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top of your screen and find the Time Tracking option. Clicking on Time Tracking will lead you to a page where you can manage all your time-related activities. This is where the magic happens for project and time management. Next, you'll see an option labeled Projects. Click on Projects to proceed to the section dedicated to managing your projects. This is the place where you can create, view, and manage all your current and past projects, giving you complete control over your project pipeline. Once you're here, look for the Create New Project button. It's usually prominently displayed, making it easy to spot. Click on it, and it'll open up a new form where you'll be able to input specific details about the project you want to create. Now, start by entering the name of your project. This could be anything descriptive that helps you easily identify what the project is about. After typing in the project name, you'll be prompted to select the customer that this project is associated with. Choose the relevant customer from your list of contacts to continue. With those basic details filled in, you'll need to choose a billing method. This option allows you to decide how the project billing is structured, whether it's per hour, a fixed cost, or another method that suits the project requirements. Following that, enter a unique project code to help further categorize and track your project internally. This code is particularly helpful for large organizations with multiple projects running simultaneously. Next, you'll input the cost budget for the project. This figure represents how much you're allocating towards project expenses. Similarly, also fill in your projected revenue budget. Having both these figures entered helps keep your financial tracking accurate and aligned with your business objectives. Now, take a moment to explore the Users tab. Here you can assign team members or collaborators to the project. This feature is essential for collaboration, ensuring everyone involved is on the same page. Likewise, click on Project Tasks to define the different tasks associated with your project. Breaking down a project into tasks is great for organization and tracking progress. Finally, once you've double-checked that all the information entered is correct and complete, click on Small key. This action finalizes the project setup in Zoho Books, and you're all set to start tracking time and expenses. And there you have it, a quick yet thorough way to create a time tracking project in Zoho Books. I hope this video has been helpful and has empowered you to take control of your project management with confidence and ease.